Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 58SL model, and this is an eyedropper one. And here it is a dark brown color marble finished one, and it has a golden trim set where the clip and the ring comes in golden color, and the brand's name Wality also stamped here. And it is a window in which you can find the inks level inside, and this is the thread type mechanism. You have to open this by unscrewing this, and this is number 5 nib, which has a fine tip with gold plated one, and you can swap the nib as you like. Since we have number 5 nib in many brands, usually pen enthusiasts will swap with cambric nibs, where you can find fine, medium, broad, and again with gold dual tone and silver plated nibs. So it's upon your choice, and for that you can go to our site and click pen pairs, and then go to nibs. There you can use a filter, and you can also make a query on what you require. And here, this is a short and small grip portion. So this is a highly recommended pen for little fingers, for beginner children. And the also the reservoir capacity is more, so we can fill more than 3 ml of ink. And here in this thread portion, this is tend to worn out, so to increase the life of thread, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline every time when you open and close the grip area during the ink fill. And whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads, so the if you fill in excess, leakage path will be created and you will spoil your hands. And the important thing in pen maintenance is, please wash your pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on long usage, so it will block the passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing, and slowly ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake your pens for the ink flow. This may you have experienced, and the reason is the blockage in the feeder grows. So clean the pen with water, or soak it in the soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, please allow it for 1 hour, and you can easily, for that you can easily remove this feeder unit, nib and feeder unit, by holding this tightly and turn and pull it out. For that you can use any cloths like this. Let me try. You have to do this simultaneously, all this, and it is so easy to remove this out. And now you can flush this feeder with the help of any toothbrush or any brushes, and clean it with the soap water or in a running tap water also, and it is so easy to fix it back. Yes. Yeah. And in some ink bottle itself, you have noticed on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water, and so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And now on feeder portion, sorry, on the nib portion, few nibs need to be fine-tuned, because during manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines up and down like this. For that you can use your nails, or you can use the any small blades. Yeah, this is so simple, and this is which allows a good flow of ink. In turn, you will get a smooth writing too. And please make sure both tines are parallel, so if not, you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pen to our customer, we do this fine tuning and will check before dispatch. And now I'm going to give a writing sample. For that I'm using our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. It is writing good. The nib is so smooth as butter. Yes. If you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can contact us in WhatsApp. We are there to respond to you at any time. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.